Porsche 911 Targa 4S. This is finished in Meteor Grey Metallic. I'm going to walk around the vehicle and show you any imperfections that I see, and I'll discuss some of the options, both exterior and interior. Start up here on the front bumper. So you do have some curb rash going on up here. This does have a partial front clear brawl, so most of this stuff is going to be on the clear brawl, which is good news. But you'll see here some fogging and some fading to the passenger front fog lamp. And you'll notice some of those minor rock chips, little scrapes. See your line there for your clear brawl. These are Bi-Xenon headlamps. They are self-leveling. Take you up here to the driver front wheel. Pretty good shape, not a lot of scuffing. Let's see. Some of this is just residual from the tire shine, so that'll wipe right off. No problems there. And you'll see there on the spokes, a few little chips, little dings. Pretty good shape. These are 19-inch Carrera Sport wheels. Both mirror cap covers are also PPF'd. And back here to the driver rear wheel, about the same. Again, a little bit of residual tire shine on the lip of the wheel, which will come right off. And a few little cosmetic scratches, dents, minor dings on the wheels. You'll notice back there the red powder coated brake calipers. They are 4-piston calipers. Back of the car is in great shape. These rear tail lights are beautiful. There's no cracks. They're not foggy or cloudy. So, cool story about this car. This was a locally owned car, and he serviced it extremely well. About 10,000 miles ago, there were concerns for bore scoring. So we had the engine out, we had it rebuilt with an LN Engineering block, and it's been stroked to a 4-liter. So a lot of benefits there. You get the bigger engine, more power, and there's no bore scoring issue. So it's been taken care of. Back here to the passenger rear wheel, a little bit of the same, a little bit of that residual tire shine down there at the bottom, that'll wipe right off. But you'll notice up top, a little bit of curb rash there, and a few little minor dings there on the spokes. The colored Porsche center caps look good. There's not a bunch of fading there. And the rear quarter panel clear ball sections are actually in pretty good shape. You do see a little bit of yellowing just because of the age, but overall pretty nice. Here's your mirror cap with a PPF. Alright, and finally up here to the passenger front wheel. This one has a little more substantial damage that I can notice just standing in front of it. Again, that tire shine there has been wiped on the lip of the wheel, but it will come right off. You'll notice up here on the spoke some discoloration, some chipping just from a little bit of age. And a little chip down there on that bottom spoke. A little minor chip there. And then a pretty severe chip there. Not too expensive to have them refinished. They could probably benefit from it. Take it to the interior. You have a supple leather interior. This is a stone gray. Bose surround sound package. Get the stainless steel entry door guards with the Targa logo. These are manual passenger and driver seats with power seat back. Seats are in good shape. You'll notice that the center console here is painted to match the exterior color in the Meteor Grey. 6-speed manual transmission. Got dual stage heated driver and passenger seats. You do have the Porsche Active Suspension management, and there's your button there for the adaptive rear spoiler. Leather wrap steering wheel, and you'll see there on the odometer just a little over 112,000 miles. Again, maintained very well. You also get Sport Chrono Package Plus in this vehicle. And then take a look at your big Targa retractable power roof. Let's go ahead and send that back. So fully operational, works well. And the sunshade works well. There you have it. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime. 614-793